Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change KuCoin account password. So if you also want to change KuCoin account password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.kucoin.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of KuCoin. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here you'll be able to see several options. Here you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you can see several options over here. At second you'll be able to see the option for security. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Under advanced settings, at first you'll be able to see the option for login password. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the option for change. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your old password and then enter your new password. Then you'll have to confirm your password and your password will be changed. First of all, enter your old password. Now enter your new password. Make sure not to use any previous passwords. You can see over here your password must contain 10 to 32 characters, at least one uppercase, lowercase and number, and there should be no spaces. Now confirm your password. Make sure to enter the same password. Now you can see the submit button over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now your password is changed. You'll have to log into your account again. So that is how you change KuCoin password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.